Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a shake bounce transitions for your videos in CapCut. So first, import your clips to CapCut, and here I'm using two clips. Now click on the transition box and select the blur category and then find the vertical blur transition and set it for 0.2 seconds. Click on the check icon and now click on the second clip, go to animations, click on the combo and then here select the bouncy rush animation. Now click on the check icon and you are done. So here is the final result. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.